Hey everyone. Some of the parents and some of my colleagues in the list, they were asking me some doubts. It was regarding how to make reading interesting for KG children. So I thought I'll make a video about it. It's very normal if KG1 children find it difficult to sit and read at first. Basically, we all know that the attention span is still growing, but small and loving steps through that we can help them enjoy reading. So here are some basic ideas that I have tried at home, which I think would help you out. First one is make a cute reading spot. So create a small reading corner with soft cushions, toys, and books. A special place it makes them excited to sit and read. Second point is start just for 5 minutes. Don't force them to sit for long. Just 5 minutes a day is a good start. So slowly you can increase the time when they begin to enjoy. The third one is let them choose the book rather than we doing it for them. Show them two, three books and let them pick it up. They feel happy when they get to choose it. So make it an exciting journey for them. Fourth one is use toys to read along. So keep their favorite soft toy with you or any type of toy. Say, let's read for Teddy. Kids enjoy when reading feels like a game and it's interesting for them. Fifth one is make reading fun. Use funny voices or maybe voice modulation, sound effects, or animal sounds while reading. And ask simple questions like, what's next? What do you think next would be? What is this? Can you find the cat here? What do you think will happen next? It makes their reading journey exciting. Sixth point is read during snack time or when they are going to their bed. Kids love to munch and listen, and reading a book while they eat something or when they're going to sleep, they like it a lot and can be a habit for them. And seventh point is use rhymes and songs. Sing rhymes with actions. It improves attention and makes them um, sit without even them realizing that they are doing it. And the eighth point is combine reading with drawing. After reading, give them a paper and say, can you draw that we have read today? Can you spot it out what it was? This keeps them engaged longer. And finally, the key is patience and consistency. All children learn at their own pace. So keep it joyful and let them slowly start reading, enjoying books with love and laughter. And these are just some ideas and tips that I have tried for my child, and it has worked to an extent. And this I would like to share it with you, and I feel that, or I think that it will help you out. But trust me, at times it might be a failure. In that case, go for trial and error methods. It need not work for you just like it worked for me. Need not worry, do not worry. Don't get disheartened, because everybody they grow up in their own pace. So you have to try out, you have to be consistent in what you are doing. See, all children need not be smart, all children need not be good at something, or they will not be up to the mark for something. So but consistency is the key. Be consistent, keep on doing, as a very famous proverb that says hard work pays off. So at one point of time or in your life, you will see the result very soon, pretty soon. If you feel that these ideas or tricks are working out, please do let me know. Hope it has helped you all. Thank you.